Hey Disney fans, it's Maria. I'm coming to you from aboard the Mermaid One today, the water taxi from Magic Kingdom to Wilderness Lodge, because I am on the hunt for some Halloween goodies. Although I am here for some goodies, I would be remiss if I didn't take a little walk around outside Wilderness Lodge. It's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous property. If you've never been here to stay, definitely come check it out on your next visit because it is beautiful. The pool doesn't look too crowded. I want to take a walk over to Geyser Point, which is currently serving, to see how the crowds are over there. It is just about lunchtime here. Geyser Point Bar and Grill currently serving lunch and dinner. My goodness. What a gorgeous location, first of all. Second of all, the view is incredible out there of Bay Lake. And thirdly, it's outside with fans in the shade, full bar, full menu. What a great place to dine. One of my favorite lobbies, top 2 lobbies for me. This is a very close second to the Animal Kingdom Lodge lobby. Just the grandiose scale, the high ceilings, the wooden beams going all the way up, the great chandeliers. It's gorgeous and not very crowded, which I love. Have my choice of seats if I want to sit down. I can sit over near the campfire. Whispering Canyon, really distanced in there. All in all, just a truly gorgeous lobby and not at all crowded. So if you're considering a stay, I think it's very safe to say, based on what I've seen outside of the pool and inside here at the lobby, distancing is very easy to maintain. That's about enough exploring of the resort for me. I'm headed to Roaring Fork to get myself some desserts. I just got my cupcake and brownie, and I am thrilled with the amount of outdoor seating here at Roaring Fork. Outdoor eating's a big deal for me. I only eat outside, and I was able to secure this table for myself here. And I got inside my brownie and my cupcake. I'm gonna take these out, give you a look at them, and let you know how they taste. I'm so excited. Okay, here we have the bat brownie. It just says chocolate cupcake on the outside. It's got really cute cookie bat wings. It looks super chocolatey. I'm all about the chocolate, so I'm really happy with these 2 desserts and excited for both of them because the brownie also looks super chocolatey. The presentation of this brownie is so cute. It's got a white chocolate frosting drizzle and a chocolate spider. That's chocolate, but he's got some metallic luster dust, it looks like, on him. And the brownie's kind of sparkly too, which is really pretty. Before I dig into these, I want to give you a quick tip. When you're ordering these, since you have to do mobile order now, since COVID-19, let them know at the front of Roaring Fork that you want the Halloween items, because on the menu it just says Mickey brownie and their regular campfire cupcake. Let them know that you want the Halloween desserts, and they'll go ahead and swap those right out. So you have to order the regular desserts, which can be a little confusing if you don't know that, but they'll go ahead and help you out with that. So let's see what these 2 things taste like. Because I'm a little scared and don't really know how to approach that massive cupcake, I'm going to start with the brownie. So, let's see if I can dig in here gracefully somewhat. Okay. All right. Okay. Initial reaction. It's got a more cakey texture than a brownie texture, which you can kind of see in there. But it's really, really chocolatey. It's not really fudgy. It's definitely drier. I think this would be really good with a cup of coffee or something to drink. It's very hot today, so maybe not coffee outside, but something like that I think would be really good to pair with my morning coffee. Absolutely delicious though. Really chocolatey. I'm gonna try this little spider guy. You just milk chocolate. It's good milk chocolate. Alright, that's my initial take on the brownie. Gotta face my fears and go into this cupcake next. You're so cute, little bat. I'm sorry to do this to you. Actually, pretty good bite. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, that's where it's at. Absolutely. So good. I'm an absolute chocolate lover. So both of these things are right up my alley. And I normally am not a cupcake fan. But if I were to come back here, I would get this over the brownie. Crazily enough, that chocolate frosting is so rich, and the cupcake part itself, it's really good chocolate cake. You can't beat an absolutely delicious chocolate cake. But I kind of dug into the side here. I think I see a filling in there. So I'm gonna keep eating and check in with you when I hit that middle. I definitely have chocolate all over my face. So, review of these two. I'm gonna start with the brownie, since I can't believe I'm saying this considering how much of a brownie person I am, was the weaker of the two items in my opinion. It was cakey, more cakey-like than brownie-like. It was okay. Overall, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 10. Decoration-wise, I would give it a 10 out of 10. It's absolutely adorable. So if you're here and want some Instagrammable thing that tastes pretty good, check out the brownie. It's a good option. But if you really are here for flavor and also just adorable cuteness, this bat cupcake is delicious. For the price point, it's really, really worth its value. It's huge. It looks like I haven't even bitten into it yet, but I've eaten a good amount of it. The center is actually a cookies and cream filling. I really love the frosting and the overall outside of the cupcake. That's my favorite part, but the cookies and cream filling actually goes with it really well. Gives a nice vanilla flavor and just a lighter, different flavor than chocolate. The ears, I did bite into one of the ears. They're like a softer chocolate cookie, and they're really cute because they've got some luster dust on them too. They're really delicious. Everything about this cupcake is amazing. From the design, it being a really cute bat, to the size of it, this thing's humongous. It's massive. You could easily share it if you're getting it for a kid. Absolutely plan to share it among a kid or two, or maybe you and your child, because they are really, really big. And also grab about 400 napkins because the brownie is kind of messy with that frosting on top, but the cupcake gets everywhere in a really good way. It's really tasty. Overall, I would give this cupcake a 9.5 out of 10. It's one of the best cupcakes that I've had on Disney property, and the design on top of how it tastes absolutely deserves that high of a rating. That's going to do it for me here today at Wilderness Lodge. Highly, highly recommend that bat cupcake. It is so good and so easily shareable too. The brownie, like I said, was okay, but that bat cupcake is absolutely worth the boat ride that I took to come over here to Wilderness Lodge today. As always, everyone, I'll see you in the parks.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the latest video releases. When you're ready to return to the magic, I'd love to help you get here. Contact me at msalerno@mickeitravels.com. All my services from quote to final booking are always free. See you in the parks!